We have talked previously about debates, mask or don't mask. Should there be mandatory mask rules? What are the legal implications of this when, for example, the governor of a state doesn't agree with what cities want to do? How far can we push this, though? There are some folks in elected positions in Florida who want to take it not just off the streets and right into my living room.
Exactly. A couple of mayors in Miami-Dade County want to make it to where people have to wear the mask inside their homes. They're strongly encouraging it. They can never mandate it because how would they enforce that? But they are strongly encouraging it. But look, if you're like my family, where I have sisters that steal each other's boyfriends, a mask isn't really going to help us out. But I guess they're wanting to help for multi-generational families.
And I suppose that would make some sense, just like in the pre-COVID days, if you had someone under a certain age, you might have them wear a mask when they went to visit someone at a hospital or a nursing home. I suppose in your family situation, if everybody's masked up, it could just be confusing for these guys, right? But from a, we hear a lot about the castle doctrine, right? A
Mhm.
person's home is their castle. That seems to come into play a little bit here with how deeply can the government regulate what I do within the four corners of my home?
Exactly. You already have people say that it's infringing on their constitutional rights to wear a mask outdoors, much less in their own homes. And we certainly don't want to open up our homes for government spying, uh, more so than they do now, some might argue, which it's scary what we have here, a cell phone with a microphone.
Well, and again, it's the enforcement, right? Because I can imagine a 10 or 12-year-old kid gets into a fight with mom and dad and starts taking pictures of them without masks and sending them to law enforcement to get them in trouble. I mean, this just really is fraught with more problems than potentially what it is that they're trying to fix.
Exactly. But I would be more scared of my parents than the police if I were that kid taking those pictures.